Battery cell cover disassembly jig. The battery cell cover disassembly jig safely and precisely removes the outer cover of battery cells. It minimizes secondary risks such as internal damage, short circuits, or explosions, while supporting safe cell analysis and quality evaluation. Various types of battery cells can be separated with uniform force without damage. Precise positioning and for manual cutting modules allow step-by-step, accurate operations.